Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to vacuum a pool. I've had this pool for about 20 years and I vacuum it maybe once a week. We don't have a lot of trees, so I'm pretty lucky. Also, I grew up with a pool and we had a lot of trees, so as a kid I was forced to vacuum probably every other day. So over the years I've gotten pretty good at it. Okay, so this is the skimmer. Let me just pull this cover off. And you want to check to see if it's clean or not, and it's not. It's got some leaves in it and some other little things, bugs. So when you're vacuuming, if you leave that in there, you're going to lose suction power. So you definitely want to clean that out, and all you do is just grab it by the handle. It comes right out. Next thing you want to do, turn your filter on. Okay, so you're going to push the head of the vacuum down, and the hose is going down too. Now this is the important thing here. What you need to do is you take this hose and you're pushing it into the water, and it's forcing all the air out of the hose, and you're filling the hose with water. Now if there's any air trapped in the hose, you're not going to get a good suction and your filter's going to not run perfect, and vacuuming will not be fun. And I always throw the whole hose in the pool, and then it's easier. And you can see the water is going to come up. There it is. And we have a nice tight seal there. I don't hear any noises. Usually if you don't have a clean seal, you'll hear some like air rushing through it, like a sucking sound, but I don't hear anything, and that is a great sign. Okay, so the hose is hooked up to the skimmer. So now you want to adjust this. Right now it's sucking 50-50 from the port underneath my steps in the deep end and 50% from the skimmer. So I want to go this way towards 9 o'clock because I want more suction from the skimmer, and that's going to help me vacuum. You can go all the way, but you really don't have to. This is a pretty good position right here around 10 o'clock. If you get any air bubbles, you can even put it at 11 o'clock. But I try to keep it at 10. 9's too much. Sometimes it's actually hard to vacuum because the suction is so strong in the bottom of the pool. All right, let's go vacuum. Okay, so one thing you want to do is you want to push the vacuum head nice and slow. If you go too fast, you're going to stir up all the dirt, and it's going to defeat the purpose. The dirt's going to end up in the pool, and 2 hours later, it's going to settle, and you're going to be like, oh my God, I just vacuumed my pool. Why is there dirt in it? Most of your dirt will accumulate in the corners and along the seams of the liner. If you have a bunch of leaves at the bottom of your pool, I would not vacuum them. I would grab my skimmer and I would skim them out and get as many as you can. Then you can vacuum. What's going to happen is those leaves are going to clog up your skimmer pretty quick, and you're going to have to shut your filter off, empty the basket, and start the whole process of getting water in the hose. Some of the dirt may stick and it's not getting sucked up, so there are bristles on the bottom of the vacuum head, kind of like a toothbrush. And just gently go over it and just slightly scrub it, and that'll pull the dirt right up. You can also vacuum your stairs, but when you do, be careful you do not take that vacuum head out of the water. Once it comes out of the water, it's going to suck air, and you're going to lose all your suction. You're going to have to shut your filter off and start over. Okay, I'm all done. You have to shut the filter off because the suction's too strong to get this out. And you can see how much I got.
pretty good.
Those are just the leaves, but there was a lot of dirt in there too, so that all got sucked into the filter. And the pool looks pretty good. Pretty good.